How to change date of birth on Instagram. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to change date of birth on Instagram. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app. Then we need to go to our profile just by tapping on the profile icon at the right corner at the bottom. Here we should tap on the three lines at the top right corner. In appearance menu, just click on Settings at the top. Then we need to find option Account and press on it. Here we should tap on option Personal Information. And now we see option Date of Birth and we can change it. When you finished, just tap on Done at the top right corner. And tap on Confirm. And that's all. It was how to change date of birth on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.